Right, Kakadu again, waterfall, mint little waterfall that we seen. Like, got some good bits to climb up the side and do backflips off and jump off and shit. And but the problem is, I put the wrong fucking memory card in. I put the fucking one for my iPod in, not the one for my GoPro. Ended up with fuck all memory card and actually climbed up the waterfall. And when you got there's some sick little rock pools at the top and all. Like, I wish I would have fucking. I wish I wouldn't have done that. I wish I would have had enough memory, but it was a choice of like walking back to the fucking car, which was missions, and I was fuck that. But I kind of wish I did now, to be honest. Sick little place to go to. Like, can't remember the name of it. I'll try. I gotta look at the map. I'll have to have a look, and I'll just leave it in a comment or something.
I got it. The size of that fish there, mate. Oh, I suppose you can't see it. Really? That was scary, yeah. Well done. Well done. And well mugs. And well cow. And well Stefano. Great!